Right, something a little bit different again today. I've been called out on this emergency job. I found out about it yesterday, so it's Sunday morning now, so I can't do anything in the workshop today. Oops. Let that passed. Yeah, it's a customer of mine needs 2 5-drawer chests and a bed, but they need building. A lot of the times I just drop these things off, but these need building, so I needed to book out most of the day for it. Right, so today's video, building flat pack furniture. I'll see you when I get to the customer's house. Right, I'm in the customer's house. I've got everything upstairs. It's a tiny bedroom, so I'm literally struggling to get the camera far enough back. So I'm going to build the drawers first, and then the bed. I think that's the best way to do it, space-wise. So generally, first thing I do whenever I'm doing up like this, I unwrap everything, get rid of all the rubbish. Then I can know what I'm playing with. Now these are metal drawer runners, and there's left and rights, but you want the wheel at the front. So they're all marked with these little holes, so you know exactly where to put them. You just line them up, and always make sure you're using the right screws. These are very short because these are going in the side, and it's only about 15mm thick is this wood. And it's a disaster if you get the wrong screw in the wrong place, because it just comes out the other end. Right, the next bit's the tricky bit, and it's the braces across. So, a bit of a technique to doing this. So I get the first one in long ways so that I can rest it down like that. Sorry, I've not much room here. There you go, and then I put the back one in. It just screws through the carcass into these. The holes are already there. You can feel it when the screw engages with the hole. You can feel it going. Then you know you're in the right place. That's it. I'll try to do this one on its side, then you can see it. So there, just line the screw holes in the carcass with the screw holes in the brace. And just send that home. I'm just moving it onto a solid plank because the floor's all over the place as well. You'll notice as well that one side is bare and one side's got a finish on it. So this one, the finish is going down because the top's going to be covered. carcass almost done. Just needs the top on. And I've already prepared that with the pins and the dowels. As soon as that's on, you can tighten the cams. That grips the pins and pulls the top onto the frame. Just put the back on. So what I do, I line it up so I know it's square. Get the pins. What I like to do is put one in each corner first. Check for square every time. This is a two-piece backboard, so it's folded in the middle there. So I'm going to put one on each corner of them as well. Right, and then what I do, to space them all out, I do the middles. Because what you'll find is if you start putting these in just anywhere you want, you'll run out of nails and you'll have, I don't know, 5 down that side, 4 down that side, 3 on the back and 4 on the top. So now I know this is the amount of nails I've got left. So that's just about right. Then I go in the middle of that one and that one. No need to measure it, you can do it by eye, you don't have to be perfect. This is the back and it's going against the wall. That should make it quite rigid now. There you go.
Is that a bed?
That's one done.
Oh, drawers. I thought you were doing bed first.
Oh no, I'm doing drawers because if I do bed I won't be able to fit in.
Because the drawers in front of the boiler, it's fine.
Yeah, I'll do them and I'll put them there, then I'll build the bed, and then I'll put them in place.
Yeah. I'm going out. Do you want me to make you another quick cup of tea before I go out?
Why not? Why not?
If you want one, just tell him to. Just shout Paddy and he'll make you one. Well, I'm going to say shout his death.
I won't be that cheeky. One more will be fine, thanks.
So I'll have a couple of hours, take these out.
Yeah, alright, no problem.
To run some energy off.
How long have I been here? About an hour? Another hour and a half, I reckon.
At least.
To get, yeah.
Yeah. If you've got an issue, and you need to speak to me, just ring me.
Right, yeah,
Alright.
no problem. Everything will be fine. Cheers. Okay, now I've done 4 of them drawers, I'm getting pretty quick at them. I'm knocking them off in about 4 minutes. Done. About an hour. Right, that's the 2 drawers done. The first one took me about an hour and a half, but I was filming and I was learning how to do it. That one I started at 11:58 and I finished at 12:45, so that took me 47 minutes. And it were about at this point when I noticed a bit of a disaster. I'd brought the wrong size mattress. I'd brought her a 2'6" mattress instead of a 3-foot mattress, so a junior instead of a single. So I told the customer, I left her with that mattress for today, and I told her I'll get a new one tomorrow. So all should be good tomorrow. Right, a little bit different there. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye.